Charmaine's birthday. This up. Okay, guys, not like that. Let's take off the bow first. Very short for some reason. Okay, guys, let's take. Whoa! Ah! Okay, wow, you guys. Guys, I don't know who it's from. There's no letter, guys. Maybe it's no one that I found, you guys. So let's just open it up, guys. I think it's from my mom and dad, basically. But something went wrong. Something went wrong. Okay, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna go like this. I'm so short, and nobody can ever see me. So I'm gonna do like this. Okay, let me like. Guys, okay. Target. Wow, you guys, it's from Target. Just from the place I have expected my dad to order. Come on, we're going to Target. Ooh, ooh. Okay, you guys. So I'm just going to do that. Let's open it, you guys. Open it up. Okay, I don't really know how to open stuff, so please forgive me, guys, if I'm like doing. So yeah, you guys, let me help me. Let me get some thinking time. How did I open my school supplies when I got my school supplies for my school? Ah, like that. Okay, guys, I opened it. Guys, I already see something. Let me do it like how I. What is that? Guys, no. No. What is this? No. No, no, no. No. I've been wanting. Guys, let me see if there's anything else. No more in here. So let's add that there. Okay, so I let us add that there. Was expected, but guys, it's a SCRUFF. Guys, how do I open it exactly? Guys, I think I'm gonna just cut this. When I can unbox it, let me like look at this SCRUFF, you guys. I'm struggling to open it right now, but look how cute it looks, you guys. Can't even resist it. How do you open it? Guys, let's do this. After 1,000 years of unboxing it, guys, I finally got it. Guys, look at it. It's a SCRUFF, you guys. You can wash it, you can reveal it, and you can groom it, you guys. No, but wait, guys, I'm gonna open it from the side. There is some stuff here, and I can't even open it. Okay, guys, I think I got this. Guys, there is something under here. I just shaked it and I felt something. I'm not going to look, you guys. So like, comment down below, you guys, if what you saw and if you guys are correct. I don't know where to put this, but I need some help here. Mom isn't here, but what is happening? Wait. It's already open, you guys. What, guys? I think we need to wash it, guys. I think we need to seriously wash it. Okay, guys, I'm going to wash it, and I'm gonna pause it, and then I'm going to shake it. The moment where you've all been waiting for, you guys. The SCRUFF. I just waited a few minutes until I got this bowl and my water set up where I would wash it until this ear sprouted. I think it's a bunny, and this eye too, you guys. So we really need to wash it right away. So guys, a lot of you guys are like, your children who are watching this, a lot of you children are like, how do you wash a SCRUFF? How do you wash a salad? Lots of washing SCRUFF. Okay guys, so yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to wash this SCRUFF. So you guys, you need to get a bowl and put it in with water. Just, you can do it with warm water. Or you can just do it with cold water. Anyways, so I'm going to fill it up fast with this one kind of thing. So our sink has something and it turns into like a shower thing. When we press this button, it turns into water. I'm going to do it this way because it's faster. guys, I think that's enough. So now you guys, what you do is take your SCRUFF LUV and put it in the water and just start to unbox it, you guys. You really need to see this. Point the camera. Guys, oh my gosh. Guys, do you see this? Guys, let's bait it in. Guys, this is turning so... Guys, its ears are sprouting. Guys. It's a bunny. I didn't know it's a bunny. Wait, it's a dog. Guys. So then you guys, what you do is strain and squeeze as much as all of the water that is in as you can. So I'm squeezing all the water out as much as I can. Oh no, it's eye. Alright, you guys. Let me squeeze it all out. Squeeze. Guys, it's turning so nice. Wait, I forgot a few items. I forgot a towel and a brush. Dang. I really need potential help, you guys. So I'm just gonna continue squeezing it as much as I can. Okay, you guys. So now I'm gonna wash the beak. Oh my gosh, you guys. More thing. Let's wash the feet now, you guys. Squeeze as much of this out as you can. Squeezing it out. I'm not trying to break it, but still. Just squeeze it out. Ears, guys. Squeeze the face. Face looks dry. No body and the tail too, guys. Got the tail. Now these. No, these. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. I think that's enough. So now you guys just make it, set it like that. I'm going to get a towel and a brush to brush its fur. Like, look at it, guys. It looks like it's homeless. So guys, I'm going to get it. Oh, yeah, I forgot you guys were there. Oh, yeah, I forgot you guys were there. Okay, you guys, now, I totally forgot about the part under the box. So, I guess this is a, I don't know what this is gonna be for. Maybe it's a collar. I don't know, you guys. Maybe it's something like that. And then it comes with a brush, a barrette, and then it comes with another barrette. Okay, you guys. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to carefully set it. Oh, I got to squeeze a little bit out on a feet and a body. So, so much. Okay, guys, let's carefully set it on the thing, and now what we do is we fold it like this and make its body keep warm and its ears too. The face is already dry, so just keep the body and the ears. Do it like this, you guys, and then fold it like this so the thing will be warm. So yeah, you guys, we just need to basically wait for it to dry, you guys. I am going to count 60 seconds, and I think it should be done after 60 seconds. Alright guys, I'm back here again, and now I'm letting my dog dry, you guys. So I just counted 60 seconds. Now, it shouldn't be fully dry, but just a little bit dry, so let's unbox it. Oh, are you okay, doggy? I'm going to brush here. So guys, let's find the brush. Now we just brush it up. Like this, you guys. To make it nice, let's make the feet. Guys, its fur is turning a little bit nice as we brush. So yeah, you guys, just keep on brushing. Pause, please. Let me pause it. it's so cute taking care of a dog. I feel like I'm a vet right now, but I'm not a vet. Fine. Okay, guys, I'm brushing its face. Be careful not to do it in its eyes, or else it will be sad. So yeah, you guys are brushing it carefully. Baby, I'm gonna hurry up because my baby sister just woke up and she's like, Ate! And I really gotta finish this video, you guys. So yeah, the dog is slowly forming and starting to look like a dog. Let me brush its ears a little bit. And yeah. Brushing its ears. Brush it. Keep brushing it. So yeah, you guys, just keep brushing it till you brush its full body. Look at the brush. Look at my hand. It's full of fur. It's full of fur. Okay, yeah, you guys. I'm just gonna do the back, you guys. Slowly doing the back. And now I'm wondering what I should open next. I'm going to open that one next. So yeah, you guys, or just keep on brushing it. You can skip this part if you guys are like bored and don't want to see me brush it, because maybe some of you guys already know how to take care of a SCRUFF LUV. And Filipino people, the Filipino people, thank you so much for supporting me. No. Okay, you guys. I'm just going to go like this with the hair. Slowly, guys, it's slowly forming. We just gotta do the back of the hand, the back of the feet, and do like this. And that's done. We just gotta smooch the hair out. And there we go, you guys. It's done. It's still a little bit wet, but it looks so cute. Now we get to design it, you guys. Wait, what is this? Certificate of adoption? What? I adopt this? I knew we had to adopt it. I'm gonna fill this up later. And now, you guys, this. Oh wait, is this the color thing, and this is actually the clip? How do you do it though? I don't know how to do it. For some reason, maybe it's just like a... Oh, I think I know what it is. You better know. Parts. So this one is for like the part, and then this one is for the badge. So let's put it on the badge. Slowly put it on my SCRUFF LUV. And then now, you guys, I'ma just squish it like this. Carefully squish it. I'm gonna do it like this. It's not fitting. Thanks for helping me. Did it. Okay, guys, I did it. Look how cute my SCRUFF LUV is, you guys. Its hair is still a bit off, but it'll, when it dries, its hair will turn good. All right, you guys. Now I'm going to sign this after a few minutes later of signing it. Alright, guys, there's hair falling. Alright, you guys, look how cute this is. So nice, you guys. Then what you do is take the same blanket and just make it dry again, because we wouldn't want it to look like, hello, I'm a wet piece of dog. So yeah, you guys, just carefully do that with its ears as well. Its ears. I'm gonna make the ears like that. Dry it. We don't want to cover its face because it might get mad. Okay, you guys, now we just put it off to the side. Oh, you're so cute. Alright, guys, this is the end of the video, but you guys might say, what about your other toys? Do they not deserve to live, or are they not cool? Well, they are cool, and they do deserve to live, you guys. I'm gonna unbox these in another video. I'm so sorry, you guys. Anyways, you guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure you click the subscribe button, turn on notifications, give me your thumbs up, you guys. Bye!